Hello everyone. Today I'll be going over ServiceNow F5 load balance as a service and how easy it is to ask for a F5 load balance as a service. So over here you can see that we have asked users for a bunch of inputs. So the user will edit and according to their needs, they'll enter those inputs. And what we're going to do is basically take these inputs into a operation orchestration workflow, which will parse them and execute into a management engine and enter these into the load balancer so that user can have that. Once user is done, user will click order now and then it will go through its life cycle. So the first thing in the life cycle is going to a operation orchestration workflow, which executes F5 service deploy and it will deploy the service according to whatever the customer has asked for. In this case, what it's doing is going to network automation, which is the management engine, and running a couple of command scripts. And if you look at the command scripts in network automation, you will actually see that we have taken users' input and parsed them into whatever the customer needs. And it's very easy to do, and we have transferred all those inputs into the command scripts, and those command scripts have been executed into the F5. So if you look at the load balancer, we will see the virtual server has been created according to the customer need. And as you can see that, and then if you go into it, you'll see the IP address that the user defined and the service port number that the user defined. And they can see the default pool according to the customer's need. And then if you go to the pool, it will have the same name and the members inside it, whatever the customer defined as. And those nodes will also exist in it as well. So it is very easy to do from ServiceNow. And in the ServiceNow, what we have done in the workflow itself is that once it's completed, it's the stages goes to complete and closed. And if you look at the workflow, you will see that it goes from begin, it executes a REST message, which is the operation orchestration workflow, and then it goes to an end. So it's showing how easy it is to do this. Thank you so much.